Can you describe what Orchard Street looked like at that time?
Well, it was all stores and pushcarts, one after another. And every store had a stand outside showing its merchandise besides. It was lively, it was clean. One of the things I remember, there used to be a very nice-looking black man who used to come around and sing Jewish songs to collect money. He would sing all the time. He always remind me that he looked like Harry Belafonte, tall, stately, and he would sing the Jewish song. He would even wear a yarmulke.